Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door. We're going to show you how to program a newer Chamberlain door opener with the limits and force settings. You should do this anytime you have a new door installed or new springs installed or anything adjusted with the door to properly ensure that it's going to work properly. So once it's hooked up in the front, you come to the back, hit the middle button, the arrow starts to blink up, and open sesame. You wait till you get to the desired height, and then let go of that button. You can toggle a little. That's good. And then you hit the middle button when you reach the height you want. Blinks twice or clicks. If you have light bulbs in there, they will blink. If you don't, then you'll hear clicks. Down we go. Same thing on the way down. You just toggle it until it reaches the desired place. Just be careful you don't squish it too hard. Plus these openers will set it to the floor anyway, so when you reach your desired on the bottom, hit the middle button, and now you'll see the up arrow is blinking. That's going to do the force. So now we go up and it's going to set it by itself, so you ain't going to do nothing. Just hit the button and let her go. What we did here is we just changed out sections, and you could see there's one right there, and we changed out some panels only, reused the hardware, gave new rollers, new end hinges to 14 gauge, and the springs actually just got changed and they're balanced good. And obviously nice window section, so we got a nice window panel in here, and that's how you do it. That's how you set the limits on a Chamberlain. So then you can come over here to the button and open sesame for all your garage door needs. Programming instructions, anything else, give us a call, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and we'll like you. If you're new to the channel, thank you for checking us out. Smash the subscribe button and the like button. We thank you and bless you, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our how-to video.